Okay, I have one thing that I really need to get off my chest. There is no snow, there is no snow. I am at the Hoover Dam and there's no snow. In all seriousness, the one thing I want to say is happy holidays to everyone. I love and miss you very much. Yeah, it was a great day today. Hiked about a little over 3 miles. Now I got another over 3 miles to go back to my car, but you know what? It is a gorgeous day out here. It started off partly cloudy, still partly cloudy, but it's gorgeous. Right now it's about just a little over 60. So, and I know you got snow in there, so, and I'm not sorry. But honestly, love and miss you. Happy holidays, everyone. We'll talk soon.